Hello everyone, it's Adam here. In this video I'll be installing two accessories from the same company, MotoMinded. I have their LED headlight on, but I'm also going to be, well, I wasn't going to purchase this accessory, but I had to because this starter stopped working. It's gotten worse and worse and now doesn't respond at all. It was already tied up here, so something's going on here, but this failed. And then I called MotoMinded up because they said they were going to be closed for like 5 days for a motorcycle trip. And so I said, if I order it today, can you ship this today? Because I needed it by the weekend. And they said, oh yeah, we can do that. I said, I noticed that this has been installed on your website for a while, the 4-up bomber that controls high beam, low beam, horn, and turn signals. Any chance you have one of those in stock or coming soon? And they said, oh, we actually have one right here. A customer just returned. Do you want that? And I said, yes. So I ordered this and this. I think this was $97 and this was $160 or $175. We only need to replace this because it's broken, but we're also going to do this because it's a much thinner profile. Hopefully then I can move the clutch a little bit closer to the grip here, the narrower profile, and just kind of tighten this whole area up a little bit. Same for this too, actually. I've got some clearance issues with this mirror. I want this mirror actually to sit out here. And the reason why I can't close it all the way up is because this is a thicker bar. So I'd like to get this a little bit closer if I can. So we're gonna see what we can do here. All right, so they've arrived. Someone asked me if I could measure these. So let's do that real quick. Your bomber multi-switch right here. Nice buttons. And everything should marry right up to the beta. So they asked me to measure the width of this. 36.2 millimeters for that width. And this other one is 22.5 millimeters for the starting kill switch. So, just for the record, compared to OEM, this is the amount of gap I actually gained by installing this thing on the left-hand side. So, not really a lot. I mean, push the clutch a little bit closer, but it's not a lot. Well, I don't know if it'll work yet, but here it is. There's the multifunction switch there, and then there's the start-stop kill switch. I'm trying out this mirror orientation, even though it means my brake lever is super short, but I'm just a 2-finger braker anyway on dirt bikes, so that should be okay. But this definitely, putting this here was the right thing to do from the gap of this kit versus there, but it also means moving the brake a little bit over. I did gain about half of this width by adding this, but still it's probably not gonna stay there permanently. Let's go outside and see if it starts up. I hope that this is my fix. Okay, let's see if it was the start button. It was. It was. Thank you.
Good job.
Well done. That's it. All done.